This is the practice test for whole numbers, and here we are working on problem number 10. And the problem states, estimate the difference by first rounding each value to the nearest thousands. So first we want to round both of these numbers to the nearest thousands, and we first find the digit that is in the thousands place, which is in this number here. It is the 1. The 1 is in the thousands place, and that's where we're going to round. So we always look at the number to the right, and it's a 4 in this case, which means that this 1 will stay the same. If it's less than 5, the place value stays the same. So it's going to be 21, and then with whole numbers, all of the other digits become zeros, and this number rounded to the nearest thousands is 21,000. And then we're also going to round this number here to the nearest thousands, and the 7 is in the thousands place. We look to the right of the 7, we have 5, and when we have a 5 or greater, then we're going to round up 1. So the 7 becomes an 8. And so we have an 8 here, and then all of these digits become zeros, and 7,501 is closer to 8,000, rounded to the nearest thousand. So now we have 21,000 minus 8,000, and I've done the subtraction down here to find the difference, and we end up with 13,000 as our estimate.